Today I'm going to make a plant-based breakfast smoothie. It's a banana, almond and date smoothie. I'm also going to be using this vegan protein powder. It's Nutri-Sport 90+. It has a full amino acid profile on the back. It's a rice, pea and soya based plant protein, and it is also halal friendly and kosher friendly. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so what you're going to need here is 2 medjool dates, 1 medium banana. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of a vegan protein powder. I'm using this vanilla blend here. You'll also need 3/3 of a cup of rolled oats, 1 ounce of almonds, and your favorite plant-based milk. I'm using a coconut milk here, and I have my trusty Nutri-bullet to bring it all together. Okay, so first things first, we're going to need to take the stone out of the dates. Obviously, we don't want them inside our smoothie, so I'm just going to drop them in here. Slice and dice, slice and dice. Right, there we go. And then just soak them in the boiling water. It's very easy, it's very simple, and there we have it. The next thing you want to do is add your plant-based milk to your container. The reason you want to do this is that if you put the powder in first, then it tends to get a little congealed and it doesn't blend quite as well. So we want to get the liquid in there first and then add our dry goods. So we want to take our milk and add in about a cup. Here we go. There we are. From there we can start to add our dry goods, and I'm going to add my oats and almonds in first, and if you wanted you could even add some creatine powder in there as well. Okay, it's quite easy. Next I will add the protein powder. Now I only want about 2 tablespoons, and that will be equivalent to about 1 scoop here. Next I'm going to break down my banana, plop that in. And then I'm going to add my softened dates. Now for the fun part. Let's whack the lid on. Plug in my trusty Nutri-bullet. And then we are going to click and go. Okay, and that's it. It's that simple. So after you've blitzed it for a couple of minutes, just check the consistency. If you need to add more liquid, do so, or you can even add a few ice cubes if you want. And now the best part is you just simply have to drink it. And there we have it, a very easy plant-based breakfast smoothie. If you'd like more of these videos, then please let me know. For those of you interested in some of our online coaching, then why not sign up for our 7-day Kickstart challenge. It's absolutely free. You don't even need a credit card to sign up for that. The link for that is in the description below. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. For more mindset coaching and progressive programming, log on to www.naturalbodies.co. We have a 7-day Kickstart Challenge. It's absolutely free, no credit card required. Simply log on to our website, sign up, and make some positive changes for yourself today. I hope to see you in the course. Bye-bye.